I've always had a great smile. Never really had any issues with my teeth, so it was easy to put my teeth to the back burner. One day I looked up and I looked in the mirror, and what I saw was no longer that bright, beautiful smile. Investing in your oral health, having that beautiful $1 million smile, it does wonders for your self-esteem. I love to smile, and I wasn't smiling. It's priceless. Words can't put the feeling that you get when folks look at you and they say, wow, your teeth are great. You have beautiful teeth. Your smile is beautiful. Every dime that I spent, I do it again and again and again.